Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make your profile private on Facebook. Now open the Facebook app. Make sure that your Facebook app is updated from the Play Store or the App Store. Now you need to go to the Facebook settings. Click on the three horizontal lines that you see at the top right hand corner, or in iPhone it may be at the bottom right hand corner. Once you are here, you need to scroll down till you find settings and privacy. You need to click on that one. Then you need to click on the first option that you see, settings. Tap on it. Now you will be here. Now you can see the first option, which is account. Now under account, one of the options that you'll see just below the payments, privacy checkup, a guided review of your important privacy and security settings. Click on that one. Now it will take you to this page. Now go to the first option, who can see what you share. Okay, click on that one. Now click on continue. Now the first four numbers, you can go here and select as friends, or you can select as only me. Okay, now birthday you can select here either friends or me, right? Now, and then hometown is there. Public, you can select friends or only me. Suppose I'm going to select friends here. Then relationship status is here, public is there. You can go here and select friends, or you can also select only me, right? Then friends and follow, who can see your friend list on Facebook. On your profile there is public, you can go and select like friends here, right? Who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Public is there, you can go and select friends or only me. Okay, something like that. And you can change all these things, right? Current city, work, education and all those things. Once you do all those things, then click on next here. Now future post, you decide who you want to see your post and stories. Now it is public, you can click here. And now you can click on friends here. Click on see more, either friends or only me. You can click on friends. Now go back again here, and stories are there. Already friends are selected. Now limit past posts. Okay, so you don't want other public people to see the past posts also, so you can click on limit here and click on limit. Saving. Okay, now click on next here, right? See your block list. Now you can actually block certain people from here only. Click on next here. Now you are all set. Review another topic. So again you are here. Now you can see all these options. Now one of the things that also you want to do is how people can find you on Facebook. You can click on that one. Now click on continue. Who can send you friend request? Everyone is here. Now you can go and remove this one. Click on friends of friends only, right? Now click on next here. Now choose who you can look you up by your phone number and email address. Now people can use your phone number to find you on Facebook. They can use your email. So instead of everyone, you can go and select either as only me, okay, or you can select only friends or friends of friends. Okay, so you can go and select friends of friends, or if you are to make it, if you want to make it completely private, then you can simply select only me. For email also, I'm going to select friends of friends. You can select either friends or you can select only me. All right. After doing that, click on next here. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Simply turn it off, then click on next here. Now review another topic. So these are the two ways, so which will make your Facebook profile completely private. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.